Rustic chic and vacation calm come together perfectly to bring you the ideal student home at 2100 at Overton Park, Lubbock. Choose from radiant 2, 4, and 5-bedroom apartments featuring sleek hardwood-style flooring, tons of storage, and the ideal study nook for focused sessions. A well-equipped kitchen awaits you every time culinary inspiration knocks on the door, plus a built-in dining area to enjoy yummy meals with friends. There's also your own private bathroom for uninterrupted relaxation. Think laundry, electricity, and high-speed Wi-Fi, all included in your rent. Get your daily dose of cardio with intense workouts in the gym, or some laps in the sparkling pool with hot tubs to unwind in after. For added convenience, there's bike storage, covered parking, and roommate matching, so life here is breezier than ever. Experience peak campus proximity with Texas Tech University and Lubbock Christian University, a short drive away. Explore the city effortlessly with the Scarlet and U Trails bus stops, a sweet stroll away. So, grab your spot at 2100 at Overton Park, Lubbock today via amberstudent.com.